Hey everyone, it's Richie Mark Williams here from ETHRE. First of all, yesterday's launch video, I'd like to apologise. I was really tired in the video, as you can see. I've had some sleep since and I'm a bit more perked up now. I'm still a bit drained, but I'm much better today. So that's it. The next stage of the plan is to get the word about. I don't think enough people at the moment know about ETHRE. We've got a bit of a strategy in place. We're going to be talking about it a bit more on YouTube, tweeting, Instagram and Facebook and the usual. We've got a few press interviews that we're sitting down, we've got planned, so they'll be getting launched a few weeks time, hopefully. Hopefully we can bring the date a bit quick sooner than that. We don't want to be waiting a couple of weeks. We'll probably sort it out next few days, hopefully. We're about to ramp everything up now. We've going to start doing the airdrops as well. We need people's Ethereum addresses, so I'm going to head over to one of the forums in a minute, going to get the word out, ask for the Ethereum addresses, throw some airdrops out there, get the ball rolling, and people can then start testing its proof of stake features. We're quite, like I was saying yesterday, we are quite proud of everything we've done. Been watching a bit of today on coinmarketcap.com today, watching a bit of the prices on some of the altcoins. Some of them are going a bit wild, 20% shed. I don't know what's going on at the moment. It's a January thing, I think. A lot of coins are affected every January. The past 3 years has been the same. There's a bit of a dip mid-January. It sometimes picks up a little bit, gets a bit of a gain, and then it goes back down the crapper a little bit till maybe mid-February, until the trust builds up in the industry, and then everything will start growing towards development, and just things get a bit better in general anyway. Bitcoin, it's had a bit of a slump. It's not going too well, Bitcoin, at the moment, but it's not a bad thing. We sometimes need these leveling off moments to realise not to use Bitcoin under the guise of hype. We need to respect it for what it is. It's not based on hype. It is an actual technology that we should respect. And I think during December last year, it got a bit out of hand too quickly. It's leveled off a lot, and I think it will continue to grow. Everything does grow. You've got to give it time. You'll find that people are going to start buying Bitcoin because it's cheaper, and they'll see the altcoins dropping and shedding 20, 30, 50% off the highs a few weeks ago. So people will start buying Bitcoin so they can buy these cheaper altcoins to ramp up their holdings. That will start pushing the price of Bitcoin up again, but it is a gradual thing as the trust builds, the momentum, and ETHRE is going to be a part of this now. We've got quite a few deals in the pipeline with a few companies. We'll release more information on that shortly. We're not quite ticked off on all the boxes yet. We're in negotiation stages, but we're quite happy with how it's gone. If you have any ideas, any just ideas, feedback or anything, let us know. We want to speak to people who are keen, interested, and we want to build this into something that's unbelievable for everyone. It's not just for us, it's for the community, and we do feel that we can offer something unique. Proof of stake, proof of work combined as a dual compatibility coin. It is the future. Not everyone can keep mining. It's too costly. The equipment's too pricey. The electric consumption's insane. It's damaging the environment, etc. Prices per unit for the electric, it's going up. There's going to be caps for certain usages. But I don't believe that the energy, the way it's been right now, I don't believe that the energy companies are going to keep letting crypto miners suck the excess energy out of the grids. It's for home usage, it's not for commercial consumption most of the time, and people are mining from the home, and it's just not really allowed. I can't see that's going to carry on. So proof of stake is the future. It will cool off. There'll be less upfront costs to get in on the game, really. You don't want to be spending £20,000 on a mining rig these days. You may as well just spend it, or $20,000, you may as well just spend it on the actual altcoins or Bitcoin itself, and right off the bat, you'll start making some gains here and there, give or take. I think with our coin, I can't see that we're ever going to stop working on it. It's something that's always going to progress, and it will adapt and change with the times, and we're always willing and eager to make it better every day. It's not something we're just going to push to the sideline and say, we've done it, it's all good to go, leave it out there. We're here to maintain it. We have a team that are happy working on it. We're recruiting. And we've got a lot of ideas that we've got in the pipeline for projects. So basically our coin, you know, there's so much potential for online currency. If you go back to the days of World of Warcraft games where people were trading in-game gold and they're buying and selling it on eBay and they're using it within the game, well, same with cryptocurrencies. We need platforms where you can actually use them. So, for example, eBay doesn't accept cryptocurrencies as a whole payment sort of thing at all. It's all tied to PayPal usually. If we could create some sort of marketplace like an eBay sort of portal where people accept our coin, specifically solely our coin tied to it, then we've got more incentive for people to actually use our proof of stake and collect our coins, because to be able to redeem them maybe at some point in the future if someone's willing to accept it as a form of full or part payment on a marketplace that we may create. It is something that we've considered. You know, development doesn't stop. It changes all the time. You might have one project, you might have one idea in the pipeline, and then you could find it changes midstream, and then you find something even better that it should be a better direction. We are here to stay. We want you to get involved, stay in touch. Airdrops are on the way. I hope that you enjoy everything that we're doing, and I hope that we continue to give you something back in return for your support. That's about it for now. I'll probably check in again, maybe a couple more videos over the next 24 hours possibly. I don't really know whether I should be doing a video every day or every other day. I'd like to stay engaged with everyone in the public and see what's going on in the industry. I'm probably going to head over to CoinMarketCap in a minute, see what's going on in trading, see what's going on Polo, and see what the rates are on Coinbase for some of them, see if there's any exchange opportunities, any trading opportunities between the exchanges. I don't know. At the moment, we are quite snowed under with our ETHRE work, and we're studying a bit of the protocol for Ethereum, see where we can sort of integrate that into our marketplace. Thank you for watching. Very happy that you've been interested in our brands already and you're just curious as to what we are and what we're planning, and I'll keep you all updated if there's any developments. Thank you so much for everything, and leave any comments below anytime and I'll see if I can get back to you. Thank you. See you later.